How to stop people from sharing your post on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you do not want your Facebook post to be shared by other people, here is what should be done. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have updated your Facebook app. Now head over to Facebook and tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Next up, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy and head over to Settings. Once on the settings page, scroll down to find the option of audience and visibility. Here are different options. You need to tap on the option of profile and tagging. Here you will see the option of allow others to share your post to their stories. Make sure to toggle off the option. Now head over to your profile again and go to the specific post that you have shared. Tap on the three dots and go to Edit Privacy. You can now select on Only Me if you do not want your post to be visible to others. So this is how you can stop people from sharing your post on Facebook. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.